Hi, hello, my dear kids. In the previous video, I have completed the explanation of the star. Four stanzas I have explained, and today in this video, I am going to explain the fifth stanza. Here, this your bright and tiny spark lights the traveller in the dark. Though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Here, this your bright and tiny spark lights the traveller in the dark. Here, in the third stanza, we already learned that the traveller in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark, for that little light shows the way where to go to the traveler, shows the way to the traveler which way to go. Yes, he could not see which way to go if you did not twinkle so in the dark night. How can he know the way to go, which way to go? Through the little light of the star only, the traveler could know how to and which way to go. Okay, and here also the poet is saying that at last, this your bright and tiny spark. This your bright and tiny spark. Tiny spark means nothing but little light which is given by the star, which we are getting from the star. Tiny spark. Tiny means small and sparkling means nothing but a small light. Okay, this your bright. How will be the light of the star? It is very bright. This your bright and tiny spark lights the traveler in the dark. The tiny spark you are giving, it only lightens the traveler to choose the correct way in the dark. Though I know not what you are. Here the poet is saying, the boy, here is the poet is the little boy here. And here the little boy is saying, though I know not what you are, I don't know about you much more. I know that you are a twinkling star, that you twinkle, twinkle, little star, and you are up in the sky, above the sky, and you looks like a diamond in the sky, he knows. And when the star will appear, when we can see the star, when the blazing sun is gone, then only we can see the star. He knows everything, and it lights the traveler in the dark, and it tells about the star you keep in the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep. And he knows something about the star, but he doesn't know anything how it is shining at night, like a diamond in the sky. He doesn't know. So he used this line, though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. How you are twinkling in the night, in the sky at night. How you are twinkling, I don't know. I know not what you are. I wrote a poem about you. I know the such things, how you are, when you will come on the sky, how will you help to the people, help to the traveler. I do only know that, but I don't know some other things about you అని చెప్పేసి పోయట్ చెప్తున్నాడు అనమాట. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ పోయం ద స్టార్. And now here they have given you the poet name. Who is the poet? Anne Taylor and Jane Taylor. Anne Taylor and Jane Taylor. Here about the poet. Anne Taylor was born on 1982 and was expired on 1866. Born on 1782 and expired on 1866. And Jane Taylor was born on 1783 and expired on 1824. Were sisters. These Anne Taylor and Jane Taylor both were sisters, belonging to an illustrious literary family. Anne Taylor was an author of children's books and an English poet, and Jane Taylor was a poet and novelist. Poet and novelist. And here in this, they both were sisters and they belonged to an Illustrious literary family. Here illustrious means their family is well known for the literary works anamata. It means their family means nothing but mother, father, brother or sister. Okay, here Anne Taylor and Jan Taylor both are poets. Okay, and their family means mother and father also well known for their literary works, means they also write some poems or novels or something, uh, stories like that. Okay, their family is also belongs to literary family. So illustrious means well known anamata. Illustrious means well known literary family. Okay, illustrious means బాగా తెలిసినటువంటి వెల్ నోన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ యాన్ టైలర్ వాజ్ అన్ ఆథర్ ఆఫ్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ బుక్స్ అండ్ అన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ పోయెట్. యాన్ టైలర్ was an children's books author of children's books and an English poet. She wrote so many poems and stories as well. Author ante who wrote stories called author, who wrote poems are called poet. Okay, she wrote so many stories for the children and so many poems also. And Jane Taylor was a poet and novelist. She wrote stories and she wrote novels along with these poems. Okay, Jane Taylor is a poet and novelist. Anne Taylor was a author and poet. Okay, this is about the poet. And now here we are going to write the understanding the poem. Here understanding the poem means they would like to ask you whether you have understand or not. So they would like to ask you some questions. Why does the poet say that the star is like a diamond? Here in this poem you can see up above the world so high like a diamond in the sky. Why does the poet say that the star is like a diamond? Because it shines like a diamond. This is my answer. I thought that the answer would be this, because it shines like a diamond. These are all you only have to answer in your own words. Okay, you only have to answer in your own words. When does the star show its light? When does the star show its light? ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ లైట్ మనం చూడగలుగుతాం? When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon. Here he means nothing but the sun. Okay, next, when does the star peep through the poet's curtains? Here you see the poem. In the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep. Okay, so here in place of when does you can use often. Often the star peep through the poet's curtains. Okay, next question. Have you ever been in a place where you could see thousands of stars in the sky? హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవర్ బీన్ ఇన్ ఈ ప్లేస్? ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నారా? ఆ ప్లేస్లో థౌజండ్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టార్స్ని ఒకటే చోట చూడగలుగుతాం. అటువంటి ప్లేస్కి ఎప్పుడైనా వెళ్ళారా మీరు? దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్. యూ ఓన్లీ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద థాట్స్ యూ హ్యావ్, యూ ఓన్లీ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ దెమ్. ఓకే, what do you like best about stars? What is your answer? Whenever you have a Zoom meetings with you, you only have to answer me. What do you like best about stars? ఓకే, స్టార్స్లో మీకు నచ్చేటువంటి థింగ్స్ ఏంటి? వై డూ యూ లైక్ స్టార్స్ మోర్? యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle twinkle all the night. This is one stanza. About this stanza they will ask you A, B, C 3 questions. When does the star show its light? When does the star show its light? When the blazing sun is gone. So we can write after the blazing sun is gone. Okay, who is referred to as he in these lines? Who is he in these lines? When he nothing shines upon. Here he means the sun. Why do you think the poet says little light? You only have to answer this. I have answered 2 questions. You only have to answer this question. Why do you think the poet says little light? Little light and star ni enduku annadu? You only have to answer. Next, 7th one. This your bright and tiny spark lights the traveler in the dark. Though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, this is another stanza. They have given you 3 questions on this stanza also. Who helps the traveler? Who helps the traveler in that stanza? The star. Yes. Why does the traveler need help? Traveler ki star help enduku kavalsi vastundi? To find the way in the dark. To find the way in the dark. Why does the poet say, I know not what you are? Why does the poet say, I know not what you are? In this video only I told you what is the meaning of though I know not what you are. Here in this, though I know not what you are. Why the poet said like that? You only have to answer in your own words. Okay. And next, here you have language work. Think of at least 2 more words that rhyme with these. Write words other than those already used in the poem. They have given you rhyming words which we have in the poem. High, sky, light, night, dark, spark, keep, peep. These are the 4 rhyming words we have in the poem. They are asking you other than poem lo unnavi kaakunda ఇంకేమన్నా రైమింగ్ వచ్చే వర్డ్స్ రాయమంటున్నారు. హై, స్కై, ఐ. ఎస్, హై, స్కై, ఐ. Another word you have to write. Okay. Light, night, white. I wrote white. You have to write another word. Dark, spark, crack. I wrote. You have to write another one. Keep, peep, leap. Okay. You have to write the another rhyming words for these 4. Okay. Next, pick out words from the poem that mean the same as these. So pick out words from the poem that mean the same as these. Here they have given you 4 words. ఈ 4 వర్డ్స్కి కూడా సేమ్ మీనింగ్ వచ్చేటువంటి వర్డ్స్ ఆ పోయంలో మనకిచ్చిన స్టార్ పోయంలో ఉన్నవి ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. హియర్ స్పార్కిల్. Sparkle. Sparkle means twinkle, also sparkling. Shine. Both are same meaning. Sparkle, twinkle, shine. Small, tiny, little. Path, way, close, shut. Here in the poem I will show you. Twinkle. Here. Shines. Next, here spark. Spark, twinkle, shine. Where you have shine? Shine. Okay. And next you have small. Small means tiny. Little you can write little light. Next, tiny. Where is the here also you have tiny, little, same anamata. Okay. And next, path. Path means nothing but way. Thanks you for your time for which way to go. Path ante dhari. Way anna kuda dhari. Yes. Close. Close means nothing but shut. For you never shut your eye. Okay. For these words, which words the poet used in the poem, we have to write. Okay. I have completed this Roman and you have to complete this one. Okay. Next activity they have given you. Add 4 more lines to the poem you just read. The lines do not have to rhyme. Here 4 lines. Here we have 5 stanzas about the star. here they are asking you to write 4 more lines about the star in your own words. Okay, you just try to write. And now up to here you have completed the first poem, The Star. And next you have your second lesson, You Asked for It. What is our second lesson? You asked for it. And in the next video I will send you this. I will send you this. And next